Tip number 5, notifications. Your notifications that appear on your social sites are an excellent way for you to start to build your community. Think of it just like networking. Each one of your social platforms will send you a notification when someone in your community is engaging with your content. This is your opportunity to start to build your tribe by showing people that you appreciate their time on your social site. The general rule is to acknowledge engagement on your social media in a timely manner. In fact, Facebook tells people how responsive you really are directly on your Facebook business page wall. It might be wise to set up an autoresponder, or a bot as it's called today. And there's actually a tab for this in your settings on Facebook. This is beneficial for people who find they're too busy to monitor their own notifications. The people that engage with your brand on social media, they're your ambassadors, and you really want to show them a lot of love because they help promote your products and your services for free. Now, there's lots of different ways that you can respond to your notifications. A simple text, a Gif, using an emoji, and you could even create a video. No matter how you respond, you want to try to be a little bit creative to stand out from the crowd. Now, this is really easy for me to say, but you're the one that has to be prepared. You have to have easy links available to use your GIFs, and you have to understand how to bring the emojis up on your keyboard. With just a little bit of practice, you will stand out from the crowd. Now, if you really want to become a social media ninja, then you should sign up for our social media bootcamp, the Master Series, right here online. And now for your bonus tip. Just scroll down.